Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, Mr. Ziaul Haq and friends. Best wishes for all of us. In this video, we are from Group 6. We will discuss about linguistic analysis on public sign at SDIT Al-Fatihiyah. Let me introduce our group first. Keep watching, guys. Thank you.
SDIT Al-Fatihiyah Profile. SDIT Al-Fatihiyah is one of elementary school with the private status location in Kramat Jati District 8, Jakarta City, DKI Jakarta. SDIT Al-Fatihiyah was established on November 27, 1998. SDIT Al-Fatihiyah was provided name Al-Fatihiyah Islamic Elementary School. In the teaching and learning activity, the school has the total of 16 teachers and staff who are the professional in this room. The course principal of SDIT Al-Fatihiyah is Mrs. Neneng Aniwijaya.
Public signs. Public signs are signs or information boards designed to convey message to the general public. These signs can be found in various places, such as roads, public buildings, business, and other public areas. The main purpose of public signs are to provide information, encourage safety, facilitate navigation, facilitate communication, and increase awareness. In this discussion, public signs in elementary schools can be divided into several categories based on their function. Some examples of public signs commonly found in primary school are rules and regulation, information and direction, motivation and inspiration, and the last, school identity.
Linguistics is the scientific study of language. It encompasses various aspects of language, including its structure, function, history, and use in social and cognitive contexts. Linguistics seeks to understand how language works, how it changes, and how it is used by humans to communicate and think. In this video, we will further analyze pragmatic, semiotic, and linguistic landscape in public science at SDIT Al-Fatihiyah. Before that, let's review the concept of pragmatic, semiotic, and linguistic landscape. Pragmatics. This theory studies how language is used in the context of communication. Pragmatics analyzes how the meaning of language is influenced by context, speaker intention, and shared knowledge.
Semiotics. This theory studies how signs function to create meaning. Semiotics analyze signs in terms of denotation or literal meaning, connotation or implied meaning, and myth or cultural or ideological meaning.
Linguistic landscape. This theory look at the public sign in a school, reflect the school values, cultural and identity, and how to interact with the surrounding environment.
Sample 1. Pragmatic analysis reveals that the public sign titik kumpul assembly point in elementary school carries a more complex meaning than simple and instructions to assemble. The sign implies a sense of safety and order generating implicator of obligation, responsibility, and disaster awareness. It aims to influence the behavior of teacher, staff, student, parents, and visitors, raising awareness and promoting safety. The location of the sign is strategically placed in the schoolyard, and the school culture and age of the student also influence the meaning and effectiveness of the sign. This sign serves as a crucial communication tool for building a culture of safety and ensuring security within the school environment.
Semiotics. The public sign titik kumpul or assembly point in elementary schools, although seemingly simple, has a complex symbolic meaning. A semiotic analysis will reveal the denotation, connotation, and myth contained in this sign. The first denotation. The denotation of the sign titik kumpul is a designed location for gathering, typically during emergencies or school activities. This means that the sign indicates the assembly point for students and staff. The second, connotation. Connotation in the context of semiotics refers to the additional meaning or implication attached to a sign beyond its literal meaning. This meaning is influenced by individual experience, culture, and perceptions. The assembly point in elementary school as a sign has a rich and complex connotations that go beyond its literal meaning as a place to gather. The beginning and growth. The assembly point also symbolizes the beginning of the educational journey. children begin their formal education in elementary school, and the assembly point becomes the place where they first interact with classmates and teachers. This connotation carries a sense of hope, enthusiasm, and unlimited potential. Tradition and custom. The assembly point in elementary school can also be linked to traditions and customs that have existed for years. Children from previous generations may have played at the same assembly point, and his connotation carries a sense of continuity, heritage, and history. Safety and protection. The sign has a strong connotation of safety and protection. The assembly point location is considered a safe place for students or gather during emergencies, such as fires, earthquakes, or other threats. Responsibility. The sign implies that the school is responsible for the safety of its students. By establishing an assembly point, the school shows that they have considered various emergency scenarios and have planned appropriate steps to protect students. And the last, myth. Role of the school. The titik kumpul or assembly point sign reflects the myth about the role of the school as an institution that cares about the safety and well-being of its students. The school wants to show that they have a structural system in place to ensure student safety in various situations. Disaster awareness. The sign can also be linked to the myth of disaster awareness. The school strives to build awareness among students about the importance of preparing for emergencies and following instructions correctly. Cohesion and solidarity. The titik kumpul or assembly point sign can also imply the myth of cohesion and solidarity. The school expects students to help each other and work together in emergencies, showing that they are a caring and supportive community.
Linguistic landscape. Design is top-down generated by school authorities to acknowledge the rules meaning of the titik kumpul assembly point public sign is grammar school is an important element in the linguistic landscape of the school. Preparation in organization and building student in emergency situation. Design provides visual information for teachers, students, staff, parents, and visionaries at the school. It not only precision as information to but also refers to values, combination, and goals of the school. It shows the school of importance, safety, preparation, and responsibility in school improvement. The presence of the signs show that the school cares about the safety and well-being to students, charity and safe and improvement learning. Important. The language used is Bahasa Indonesia. Indonesia word the written bold, the symbol and use a registration form is used and the understanding the simple accessibility point public sign improvement school in the important part the linguistic landscape of the school. Integration of finding from also stabilized analysis from the three subclasses is pragmatic, semiotic, and linguistic landscape. These are the signs is titik kumpul assembly point. At the SDIT Al-Fatihah has the more complex meaning in the simple interaction student to the accessibility. The sign not only indicate a physical location but also reflect the school as value, culture, and priorities. The integration of the three symbols hold that the titik kumpul sign is not important communicate to those at the SDIT Al-Fatihah. The sign not only provides physical information but also reflects the school values and culture. The sign has the priorities impact on the believers and the contribute the student, staff, parents, and visited to the school.
Sample 2. The pragmatic analysis shows that the ruang class nameplate sign in primary school has a more complex meaning than just space identification. It has an implied meaning, implying that the school wants to provide clear and accessible information to students, teachers, parents, and visitors. Class signs help them find the right class quickly and easily. This sign raises an implicator which implies that the school is obligated to provide clear and accessible information to everyone in the school environment. Although not explicitly stated, the mark implies that the school is responsible for providing accurate and useful information. And the sign also implies that the school expects order and discipline in the school environment. Neatly and orderly class nameplates indicate that the school has clear system and rules. And about context, the location of the class name board sign in the school area is very important. It only has meaning in the context of the school, where students and staff are expected to find their class easy.
The public sign ruang kelas or class name board. In elementary schools, the seemingly simple has a complex symbolic meaning. A semiotic analyze the level, the denotation, connotation, and meaning contained in this sign. The first denotation, identification of speech. The most obvious denotation of the class name board is to identify a particular class. The sign indicates the name of the class and may also include the name of the teacher who teach the class. And the second, connotation. Class sign has connotations of school structure and organization. The mark shows that the school has a clear classification system and seeks to create an organized and easy to navigate environment. And the last, need. Class image reflects the need of the school's role as a structured educational institution. Design indicates that the school has an organized system for managing class and students.
Linguistic landscape design is a button-down created by school authorities to emphasize the using school facilities. The public signs, ruang kelas, class nameplate is a primary school plays an important role in sampling the linguistic landscape of the school. Whether it is in organization or building student in France, their class nameplate is a separate as education chain for the student and the vision. The help to find the readiness class is building combination and important facility. Public signs, class nameplate is a primary school at the important part of the linguistic landscape of the school. It's not only important visual information, but also represents the values, cultural, and goals of the school. Well, the central rooms class is a simple receipt in the size, organization, qualities, running important for the student. Room class is assigned is a quality use is linguistic in the student and everyone. The limited use Indonesia that is a from using this classroom science is easy for the rate is easy eye-catching. However, science is simply small and coloring as the casket board is green and has a circle on our class physical reading. This dictionary colors and the classroom writing identity and grade level use subject touch in the class.
Information of findings from all subfiles, analyzed from the list of files. Pragmatics, semiotics, and linguistic landscape reveals that design ruang class or classroom, as the idea of Fathia, has a more complex meaning than simply identifying a stage. Design reflects the school's values, culture, and priorities in creating a structured and organized learning environment. The introduction of this list of files shows that the ruang class sign is an important communication tool and is the idea of Fathia. The sign not only provides practical information but also reinforces the school's values and culture. The sign has a profound impact on the behavior and perceptions of students, staff, parents, and visitors to the schools. Suggestion. The first, using a large font on the ruang class sign will improve visibility and make it easier to read. The last, developing a more engaging and informative sign design will enhance the effectiveness of the sign in creating a more positive and supportive learning environment.
Sample 3. The pragmatic analysis shows that the buangan sampah pada tempatnya disposal of trash in its place. Board sign at the elementary school has a pragmatic meaning that reflects the school's value, promotes positive behavior, and encourages environmental responsibility. The effectiveness of the sign depends on contextual relevance, audience appropriateness, and the use of indirect language to convey the message in a flawless and accessible way. This disposal in their place. Board sign has a by one literal meaning implicator. The sign implies more than a simple instruction to dispose of trash. It suggests that following the rule is important. Values cleanliness and show that every student's action have a positive impact on the environment. Based on the fact found, the sign is placed at many points, namely in the lobby area, classroom, teacher's room, principal's room, fields, and others. Significantly, the location of this board sign affects their meaning, full value, expectation, and the specific context of the sign location or contribute to its interpretation. The signs use indirect language to convey the message instead of directly stating you must dispose of garbage properly. The sign use a more polite and non-confrontational approach.
Semiotics, the buanglah sampah pada tempatnya or disposal of trash in its place, sign in the elementary school area. Although seemingly simple, has a rich semiotic meaning. The following is the analysis. First, denotation, literal meaning. This sign directly instructs that garbage should be disposed of in the designated place, not literal. The second, connotation, cleanliness. This sign implies the importance of keeping the school environment clean. Responsibility. The mark indicates that everyone is responsible for keeping the school environment clean. environmental awareness. Design can also be interpreted as an invitation to care for the environment and preserve it. And the last, myth. Design reinforces the myth that school is a place that is clean, orderly, and has positive values. Also, design can be interpreted as a representation of moral values such as responsibility, discipline, and care for the environment.
Linguistic landscape design is button democratic by school teacher to understand the importance of purpose was the forces, the use of the formal language, important sentence, and simplicity of the language. Designs on the page and engaging visual design make the sign easy for the elementary school student to understand and remember. Design is also important for building improvement and swear among students for the illicit engage. Design uses formal language with the word buanglah, dispose, which indicates an enterprise and a clear encouragement. The use of the formal language is important to give a formal encouragement and show that this rule must be followed. The sentence buanglah sampah pada tempatnya, dispose the answer in the page is an important sentence givers and is communicated and reader. The use of the inverted sentence is a sentence is a communicated and a clear message. This is easy for the elementary school student to understand it. This engage is sign is important to emergence and swear by amazing this program is popular with the dispose. This message is important for building positive habit among elementary school students for analysis engage. Design is basically design of the elementary school and design. The simple language, important sentence, and the happiness on the picture of the place make this engage with the children to understanding and remember. The visual designs of the sign is also important for the hastening and attraction of the elementary school student. The use of black color, reinforced, and engaging images is effective to help make this sign more effective.
Integration of findings from all fields. Analysis from the three subfields, pragmatic, semiotic, and linguistic landscape. Reveal that the sign buanglah sampah pada tempatnya dispose of trash in its place. At SDIT, Al-Fatihah has a more complex meaning than simply instructing students to dispose of trash. Design reflects the school value, culture, and priority in creating a clean, orderly, and responsible environment. The integration of these three subfields show that the buanglah sampah pada tempatnya sign is an important communication tool at SDIT Al-Fatihah. Design not only provides practical information but also reinforces the school's value and culture. Design has proven impact on the behavior and perceptions of students, staff, parents, and visitors to the school. Suggestions: using more attractive colors and a more creative visual design will increase the appeal of design and make the message easier to remember. Placing design in strategic and easily accessible location will enhance the effectiveness of design in reaching its target audience. Sample 4. Pragmatic analysis reveals that the motivational quote word great things happen to those who don't stop believing, trying, learning, and being grateful in elementary school serves as a tool to build and reinforce positive value within the school environment. The use of polite and indirect language along with strategic placement makes design an effective reminder for students, parents, and staff about the importance of having a positive attitude, perseverance, learning, and gratitude in achieving success. This motivational quote has an implied meaning, namely that the school priorities this value. The placement of design as a motto indicates that these qualities are at the core of the school philosophy and culture. Students are expected to embody this value with the implied meaning, encouraging students to strive to achieve this quality and direction and attitude. The simple language and clear instructions make the sign accessible to all members of the school community, regardless of their age or language ability. However, it would be beneficial to add an Indonesian translation so that first and second grades can understand the sign. The visual design of the sign, including colors, code, potential effects, can enhance its effectiveness in attracting attention and conveying the message. In the context of contextual relevance, the effectiveness of design depends on its presence and how it aligns with the overall culture and values of the school. If the school consistently promotes and reinforces this value, design will become a more powerful tool.
Semiotics, the great things happen to those who don't stop believing, trying, learning, and being grateful. Sign in the elementary school area, also seemingly simple, has a rich semiotic meaning. The following is the analysis. The first denotation, general meaning, the sign directly states that those who continue to believe, strive, learn, and be grateful will receive good things in life. The second connotation, motivation and inspiration. Design can motivate students to continue striving, learning, and maintaining a positive attitude. Importance of process. Design emphasizes that success does not come easily but requires a continuous process of learning and effort. Success. Great things refer to achievement and success in various aspects of life. Design encourages students to be confident and optimistic in pursuing their dreams. life's journey. The sign indicates that life is a journey filled with challenges and opportunities. And the last myth, school myth. The sign reinforces the myth that school is a place that supports the positive development of students and encourage them to reach their full potential. Cultural myth. The sign also reinforces the cultural myth about the importance of hard work, perseverance, and appreciation in achieving success. Moral myth. The sign reflects moral values such as responsibility, discipline, and environmental awareness.
Landscape linguistic. The sign is a button-down created by school authorities to protect immigrant and their motivation to study. The public motivational quote is a great things happen to the touch how to stop believing, trying, learning, and being grateful. In the elementary school, is a strong example is linguistic of the linguistic landscape in action. The choice of linguistic quarters and permission extremely quarters is a message and contribution and the school's overall culture of the elementary school and positive learning. Its affirmation, the information of the personal qualities and a broad mindset, personality, and a sense of the privacy, responsibility, and community among students and staff. The motivational science adds to the inspiration and gratitude species, message, and believing with the school community. Its permission function is the formal positive attitudes towards learning, principles, and the grade among students, inspiring they are a student of the great success and personal growth. Design using English. The lesson in raising a global English represents of school operation of the international English, and this is ordered in the status student to research language. It describes a premier ability Indonesian speaking student, expert, and staff anything of the method the course as language this is familiar the personality, the visual variety of the science contributing to the insight. The sign is highly translated about personality, the conservative calls of the visibility, and uses a visual information from type. Integration of finding from all subfiles. Analysis from the three subfiles, pragmatic, semiotic, and linguistic landscape show that the information science great things happen to don't stop believing, trying, and being grateful. At SDT Al-Fatihah has the more complex measuring just the motivational phrase, design relative to the school values, culture, and the priorities in the schooling and the improvement support, positive growing, and the student success. In integration of the three subfiles, how that the motivational sign is an improvement communication on the tool at the SDT Al-Fatihah. The sign not only provide particular information but also recite the school values and culture. The sign has provided is not the believer and the president of the student, staff, parents, and visitor to the school. Suggestion based on an Indonesian translate to the motivational signs will ensure the accessibility from the first action grade. Developing and more latest the environment values designs will decide the average of design is attitude and actionable and diversity the message. Contributed in information and correcting the values listened to the science will ensure the improvement that make it a more powerful tools in the city and the school's culture.
Sample fact. Pragmatic analysis reveals that the school vision and mission board in elementary school carry a more complex meaning than simple or written statement. The sign contains implied meaning, generalized implicator, and aims to influence the behavior of students, teachers, parents, and visitors. The context of location, school culture, and student age also influence the meaning and effectiveness of the sign. The sign serves as important communication tool for building identity, purpose, and value in the school. The school vision and mission board then has an implied meaning about the school's identity. Vision and mission indicate that the school has a clear culture, value, and goals and wants to build a sense of pride among students, teachers, and staff. The school vision and mission board then also generate implicator of open, implying that the school is open to input and suggestion from all members of the school community. By displaying the vision and mission, the school shows that they want to collaborate with all parties to achieve common goals. Also, the generous implicator of quality implying that the school values quality to strive to achieve the highest standards in all aspects of education. Vision and mission demonstrate the school commitment to providing high quality, great education and supporting students to reach their potential. In the context of linguistic landscape analysis, the vision and mission board sign in the school area is very important. The sign is located in the school lobby or next to the teacher's room.
Semiotics. A semiotic analysis of the public sign, vision, mission, and SDIP Al-Fatihah will reveal a deeper meaning than its literal meaning. The first, denotation. Literal meaning, the denotation of the sign, vision, mission is a written statement that explicitly states the school's goals and values. The signs show what the school wants to achieve and how they intend to achieve those goals. The second connotation, values and principles. The sign vision mission has a strong connotation of values and principles embraced by the school. It shows that the school has clear goals and emphasizes the importance of student success and the growth of the school community. Commitment and dedication. design also has a connotation of the school's commitment and dedication to education. The school wants to show that they strive to provide high-quality education and support students to reach their potential. Identity and pride. The sign vision mission can also indicate the school's identity and pride. The school wants to show that they have a strong culture and values and want to build a sense of pride among students, teachers, and staff. And the last myth, the sign vision mission reflects the myth about the role of the school in society. The school wants to show that they are an important institution in shaping the future of students and society. The school wants to show that it strives to provide high-quality education and support students to reach their potential. Also, the school wants to show that it strives to continuously develop and improve the quality of education it provides.
Landscape linguistic. Design is a top-down creative by school authority to cover the school goals and values. The public sign, vision mission, and the elementary school is an important part of the school linguistic landscape. Designs not only provide practical information, but also reflect the school values, culture, and goals. A well-designed vision mission helps to create a safe, organized, and supporting learning improvement for all the students. The vision mission and the board design is a school values identity, where the cultivation and improvement by the school are the desperately design improvement and the offering of the what the school was to achieve and how the identity of the school that goals. It helps the student and identity and help the student, parents, and visitors what the school priorities. Design of the board improvement gives the information for personal improvement the school. They show that the school has attitude and the action detail what the character positive learning improvement. The language is the Indonesian so can be easy understood by everyone. The font uses the quite small but can be write with the help of foundation, color group with the white background and facilitate writing.
Integration of findings from all softwares, analysis from the three softwares, pragmatics, semiotics, and linguistic landscape shows that the vision and mission sign at SDIT Al-Fatihah has a more complex meaning than just a written statement. The sign reflects the school's identity, values, and priorities and creating a learning environment focused on progress, quality, and positive student development. The integration of these three samples shows that the vision and mission sign is an important communication tool at SDIT Al-Fatihah. The sign not only provides practical information but also reinforces the school's identity, values, and culture. The sign has a profound impact on the behavior and perception of students, staff, parents, and visitors to the school. Suggestions. The first, using a larger font on the vision and mission sign will improve visibility and make it easier to read. The second, developing a more engaging and informative sign design will enhance the effectiveness of the sign in attracting attention and conveying the message. And the last, consistency in promoting and reinforcing the values listed on the sign will increase its impact and make it a more powerful tool in shaping the school's culture.
Conclusion, it is design and SDIT Al-Fatihah are more than just visual. They play a key role in creating a positive learning environment and shaping students' character by using language analysis. And school-based design not only provides information but also help build the students' value. And the school understands the importance of design and carefully design them to support students' learning and growth. That is the discussion from our group. We do apologize if there are many mistakes from the beginning until the end, and I hope this video is useful for us. Thank you very much for your kindness on watching our video. Bye bye.